bulldogged your way into it, didn't you? Ignorant bastard.
Say, hey Google, how long is my commute? Then pass the time by saying, hey Google, play some jazz. That's pretty jazzy. When you need a little help, make Google do it.
At Fidelity, all ETF trades are commission-free. Plus, you get a great rate on your cash automatically.
So, and I see it over here, so I assume. I don't know. Wait! Oh my God! Oh my God, man! Oh my God, bro! Jesus!
In a quarter-mile, make a right turn on Saddle Drive.
Boy! Jesus, boy! Goodness, I'm glad I wasn't out there.
Stop in time. Can't stop! Can't stop that quick! Doesn't stop that quick, a truck, you know. Well, don't park onto the yellow lines. Pricks. Smile, you're on camera. There we go. Bricks.
The power of intention, how it's worked through my life. From being a little boy sitting in my friend's garage, doing radio shows on our old
Someone got the camera. There you go, Tony. Alright, stop shade. Oh wow, cop chase! Oh, this is our exit, I kind of want to.
In this video, I'm not entirely sure what happened here. All I could see was the dump truck pull out from a dirt road, and then a car comes out of nowhere, out of the cloud of dust. The car chases after the dump truck, and then proceeds to pass the dump truck. It looked to me, I'm going to stress that it looked, like the car ran the dump truck off the road. Now initially I thought the dump truck may have pulled out in front of the car, but upon further video analysis, I looked at it a lot closer. The car spins a 180-degree turn and chases after the dump truck. So I have no idea what happened here. But it was interesting.
Thinking about it, that car's having to spin around for some reason. Now passing that dump truck.
Hi. I love you. Isn't this cool? We're on a ride.
Please go. Please go.
Yeah? Old lady, what are you doing?
Oh, I see white hair. She old as.
I know, that's why I said old lady. I can clearly see it.
I didn't even notice the white hair.
Oh my god.
But what are you doing? What the f are you doing?
I'm driving in the middle of the lanes. Move, you old old.
Oh, if I ever get to this point, please take me out to fucking
Well, you shouldn't be driving.
Me.
This is why you shouldn't be driving. I'm sorry.
This is 2
you're
lanes.
floating.
This is 2 lanes.
Holy
what the f are you doing? And we're gonna stop all the way back here. Okay. Oh my god.
And we're gonna start crawling as we go.
I can't honk at her because she's just gonna panic.
I know. Oh man.
Bro, what are you doing?
What are we doing?
Oh.
Come back. Holy man, my glasses. Oh no, just out.
Among 17 people kidnapped by a gang that demanded $1 million ransom per person. 5 people had already been released in recent weeks. It is unclear if any ransom was paid. The U.S. Senate gave final approval today to a bill to punish China for oppressing Uyghur Muslims. It bans goods from Xinjiang province, where thousands of Uyghurs are in detention camps. That is unless imported.